Welcome to Lingua Wire English A2. Today, we have two stories. Tech shares fall, and an activist ends a hunger strike. To help you follow today's episode, full transcripts and vocabulary lookups are at linguawire.com. Tech investors had a nervous day on Thursday. Google's parent company Alphabet and Tesla both saw big drops. What pushed the markets down like that? Sarah, can you give us the numbers in simple terms?
It was mainly fear about AI spending. The companies are spending huge amounts of money on artificial intelligence. But many investors still do not see the payoff yet.
So this was not just one weak day for one company. It was a wider worry about costs and returns.
Yes, Alphabet's share price fell by nearly 7%. Tesla's stock fell even more, by 14.5%. And Alphabet now expects to spend as much as $205 billion this year.
That is a huge sum, especially after only 3 months. Did the company say where the money is going?
Mostly to AI projects and infrastructure. The report says Tesla also expects up to $25 billion in spending. Investors are asking when the money will bring real results.
So the key question is not only spending, but timing. When will the benefits show up, if they do?
That is the big question. One analyst said there is still skepticism about the return on these investments. So for now, the market is waiting.
Now to India, where a protest leader has ended his hunger strike. The strike lasted 26 days. Adam, what changed?
Sonam Wangchuk said he ended it after a long negotiation. He also said he wanted to avert possible violence. That is the latest step in a tense protest dispute.
So this was not a sudden decision. There were conditions and talks first. What was Wangchuk supporting?
He was supporting youth-led protesters who want education reforms. They are also calling for the resignation of India's education minister. Wangchuk said he had lost 11 kilos, but he was still alive.
That shows how serious the strike was. Was he still at the protest site?
No, he was forcibly removed from a protest venue in Delhi last Saturday. He was taken to hospital after that. The report says the government assured him there would be no legal action against protesters there.
So the pressure around the protest may ease a little. What happens next for the movement?
The protesters are still asking for change. But for now, one big source of tension has gone down.
First, 3 words from story 1. Shares means parts of a company that people can buy. In the story, shares fell when investors worried about AI spending. Example, my shares went down this week. Stock means the price of a company on the market. In the story, Tesla's stock fell by 14.5%. Example, the stock rose after the news. Spending means the money you use for something. In the story, it was huge spending on AI projects. Example, their spending on rent is very high. Now for grammar, be going to. We use be going to for a plan or a future result we expect. Example 1. Alphabet is going to spend as much as $205 billion this year. Example 2. The protesters are going to keep asking for change. Repeat after me. Is going to spend. Want more than 2 stories a day? Sign up at linguawire.com for the free daily digest. 4 short stories matched to your level in your inbox every morning. Set up your free subscription at linguawire.com.